We are here at Messe Stuttgart, where the second edition of GrindingHub exhibition is getting organized.
Welcome to GrindingHub, the leading grinding exhibition for cutting tools here in Stuttgart.
This is the ANCA booth. We're 50 years this year. We prepared a lot of new stuff for everyone who wants to grind proper, high precision tools for the lowest cost possible.
We are at GrindingHub Stuttgart, and this is a must-visit show for people who is working with the cutting tool manufacturing industry. So you can see right behind me a ZOLLER GmbH machine. It's a universal measuring machine. So please do visit. We are at Hall 10.
The GrindingHub for us is the most important exhibition in Europe. We are very pleased to also present our new innovations, complete new carbide grade for hardened materials, and our sustainability mission.
As trendsetter in the tool grinding, we are introducing new Roto X as well as Flexium Pro, a completely new Flexium CNC architecture, which will be the trendsetter for the next years.
Hello India, nice to meet you here in Stuttgart on the GrindingHub, and hope a lot of people from India is coming and join the show and see what's going on in Germany. And for sure you can see a lot of new technologies, new machines, new ideas. Please join the show.